In the last couple months, I was wondering if it is possible to build a complete dropshipping business with the help of artificial intelligence. To make money with dropshipping, you need three things: a good product, an online store, and an ad. So be sure to watch this video all the way to the end to find out if it's possible to build an entire dropshipping business with AI, and especially how long it will take. But before we start, we need to put things into perspective. Most of the time I need an entire weekend to build the online store. The product research though goes very fast, only 2 to 3 hours. And the ad usually needs 1 day. So my goal for this video is to build everything within 24 hours. So let's get started with step 1. Let's research some products. This tool helps you find products with the help of AI. It's one of the best ones because it uses TikTok to find those products. To get started, you can use the free trial right here. Just put in your email, fill out your basic information, and then you land on a page that looks like this. Right here, hit product research on the top. After that, I chose the platform Shopify, United States for the filter, and here from 50 to 1000 likes, and then here from 20 to 100, and here I chose seen within the last 7 days. And as you can see, those are my filters. And then you just go through the entire list and you basically make a product list between 15 to 30 products that you find very interesting, and then you just do the numbers and test through the entire list. So I chose this one right here because it's a very nice product with a very good price point. On the bottom left here, you can see that there's the store link, and we use this later in our process to build our own pages. So when I hit this right here, you can see the store is very clean, very nicely built, but we can make it 10 times better because it's almost nothing on here. And even if I go to the product page right here, it's nothing very special, and this guy is still making bank. So what we're gonna do is the following. Because this video is very short, I'm gonna go to AliExpress, and I just looked up for fruit bottle mixer, and I found a bunch of products right here that we can use, and I even found one that is better than this. It looks way better. The pricing is okay. We could probably sell it for 60 bucks. And we have it in 2 colors, one white and one pink. This will work very well. It even comes with great product images right off the bat. It's amazing. Next, we should just add it to our list. And the reason why I chose AliExpress right now instead of CJ Dropshipping is that I don't want to put the sourcing request right now at CJ Dropshipping because the video is very short and I want to get it live right now. Okay, so when you want to build your own online store, it's very simple. Just go to shopify.com or use the link in the video description. Enter your email here on this page and fill out everything that they're gonna ask you. And then you will end up here in the Shopify dashboard right here. If you want to use Shopify properly, you need a theme, and the theme is like the basic framework of your site. It basically contains all the design information of your store. The theme that I recommend is the Beautify theme because it comes with not only the theme that for free, but they also have a paid plan with multiple add-ons, and those add-ons are just amazing. Let me show you. This right here is the Beautify, and you have multiple apps here. As you can see, they have cart maximizers, conversion triggers, shopping enhancers, loyalty builders, and a bunch of other things. Yeah. So when you subscribe to one of their plans, you will get all of these included in your subscription. And the funny thing is, the average Shopify bill is around $150 to $200 a month because of all the apps that people add to their subscriptions. To install the Beautify, it's very simple. Hit start your free trial now, test it out for yourself how you like it, and then you come on this page, fill out everything. Very important is this Shopify store domain. After that, you just go here on download your theme, then press download right here, go back to your store, online store, themes, and then you just hit add theme, upload, and then just publish it like I did. And next we just need to add the product that we found into our store. And to do that, just type in here Deezers, click this one, install the app, and then you end up here in this backend. It's very simple. You authenticate it with your AliExpress account. It just asks you a few questions and few information, and then you end up on this page after you integrate it. You take the AliExpress link, and then you go back to Deezers, go here on search and import, paste the URL in here, and then you have the product right here, push to Shopify, and then it creates a brand new product inside your account. We have it right here. Okay, so let's rename this one Portable Blender. Let's get rid of all of this, and then let's first put 3 pictures in there. And usually I take pictures that show the product in use. It's very important. Okay, and the next one right here. Let's take this one. And now we use AI to write our description and our benefits and our headlines. And the AI we use to generate all of the copywriting and all the content is Jasper. And Jasper was only made for content and copywriting. So I highly recommend it for this case right here and for ads and for product pages, blog posts, etc. And when you sign up through my link in the video description, you will get 10,000 words for free to your subscription. And with that, you have two things that are very good. One is the templates and one is the chat. Most people like to use chat, but I think the templates are way better. For example, the commands feature is insane. Let me show you. So the prompt is on the top, and what you want to have as information, you put it on the bottom. And when you put the information in there and you say rewrite, for example, it's going to make it unique. So when we test it right now in Copyscape, you will see it's 100% unique content, and that's amazing. Let's go and check it. I already did the test. Boom. As you can see, we have 269 words. No results found means there's nobody else using this. And then we just go back here. We have the introductory paragraph. Then we need some benefits. And then you just go to the prompt and say, generate me 3 benefits. So now that we have 3 benefits, we just take them, put them into our description. And what I like to do is have a picture for each benefit. Obviously the pictures don't match the benefits, but if I had more time, I would take my own pictures and show the product in use with a specific benefit. So there are 2 things left to do here. One is a call to action and one is the headline for each benefit. So let's do the call to action first. So we go back here, create a call to action for this product, then hit generate. Boom. I don't like this one here, it's way too long. Create a short call to action. Okay, so I just created my call to action right here. The last thing we need to do is the headlines for the benefits. Hit generate and just wait. Enjoy fresh smoothies. And the good thing is this matches this and everything is just nice. Okay, so we take H3 right here. Then we do the same for this one. Go in Jasper, put in the other content. Just wait a second. Now that I have all the copy in here, just hit save. This is how it looks right now. It took me like, what, 5 minutes or something. To be honest, it's pretty dope so far. And I went ahead and put some information in here. For the FAQ part, you just do the same thing, paste the copy then in here, and that's it. If I had a little bit more time, I would also do all the design work here right now. For example, I would match the color to the juice maybe in here, and then would be very, very good looking. But the basics are on the page, and I think this is going to generate some sales in the testing period. Let's start with the Facebook ads, and I choose Facebook ads over any platform all the time because it's just more reliable and more stable. I'm pretty old school also, but I just love them. What I recommend you to do is just take one platform, learn it and master it, and then switch over to another one and try what fits best for you. This is how a brand new ad account looks like when you just open it up and just do a test campaign. What I want you to do is press create right here and choose sales for the objective, and then name your campaign like your product, for example, Blender. And then the ad set is going to be the targeting. If you target cooking, then put cooking and then age 25, for example. Yeah, I just put targeting in here just so it's not confusing for you. And for the ad name, just leave this blank for now. Choose manual sales campaign, hit continue. Then this thing opens up right here. Leave this alone like it is. For the event, I always choose purchase. I find that Facebook optimizes a little bit better here. And this message here will go away after a few sales. Then you scroll down, put in $10 budget per day. And here for the audiences, we just ask the AI. Okay, so let's start here. Jasper Chat. Okay, let's go. Now we have 5 audiences we can try. For example, healthy eating, smoothies and shake enthusiasts. Let's try with healthy eating. Then we go back to Facebook and just type it in here. Healthy eating recipes, human nutrition. Let's take this one right here. 2.4 million people. That's enough. We just put one interest here. It's called single interest targeting. It works like wonders. Then we just put English in here. Go to UK, and then we repeat the process for more targetings. So after we fill this out, we just go to next. We then scroll down to primary text right here. And this is where our post text is. And this post text can be easily written with Jasper. Next, you can use the prompt I use right here. Driven Facebook ad script. We can use this one right here. We obviously have to modify it a little bit. Okay, let's put it here in the primary text. It's pretty good right off the bat, but we need the call to action here and we need some benefits in between. I always do the Facebook ad sandwich where you have an introductory sentence, like a hook or so, then 3 benefits and then a call to action. Give me 3 benefits as bullet points. Cool. Let's go. So now we have good copy that we can use in our Facebook ads. Next, we need the video itself. And like I said, I don't have time. So I'm just using this agency right here. The link to this service is in the video description. And this is one of the best agencies for your Facebook ads. And when you order from them, you get 3 Facebook videos that you can use for your ads. It's amazing. And within 3 days or less, you'll have wonderful videos for your Facebook ads that convert. The process is very simple. You just hit get started and then you fill out a form with all your product information and then they create the video for you. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to send them your product. You don't have to hire actors or something. You just need to fill out this form, send them the link to your product, and that's it. So as you can see, I built the entire dropshipping business in less than 24 hours with the help of AI. And to be honest, I wasn't doing much at all. We found a killer product, we got the shop going, and we got the ad ready to go. And if you want to try it for yourself right now, then you can do it, but watch this video before, because I'm going to show you the things that I would avoid when I would start a new dropshipping business.